Quick demo.
accel-BI turns MS Office into an executive reporting tool.
You can use accel-BI to create data-enabled PowerPoint presentations, Excel spreadsheets and MS Word documents. Data can be pulled from any JDBC or ODBC compliant databases such as Oracle, SQL Server, DB2. Using accel-BI, you can even connect to SharePoint and pull lists.
Creating data-enabled PowerPoint presentations. Beginners.
This tutorial explains how to create a simple data-enabled PowerPoint presentation.
After you install accel-BI for MS Office, you should see accel-BI menu in the ribbon.
Click the accel-BI menu in the ribbon.
accel-BI provides a wizard to walk you through the process of creating data-enabled PowerPoint presentation.
To use this option, click on the wizard icon.
This will display the wizard window.
In the Welcome tab, click on the Continue button.
This brings us to the Options table.
Here, you have the option to specify if you like to create single or multiple files, based on a driving data set. For example, you may want to create quarterly sales report, one report per country. In this case, you need to choose multiple files option.
In this tutorial, let us use the single file option.
Similarly, you can create single or multiple slides based on a driving data set. In this tutorial, let us use the single slide option.
Next, click on Continue button.
This takes us to the next tab, which is Build Reports table.
Here, you can connect to databases or files and pull the data. In this tab, you will also attach data objects to PowerPoint objects such as tables, text fields, shapes and graphs. accel-BI provides two options to connect to databases: System DSN, which uses ODBC, and out-of-box drivers, which uses JDBC.
This tutorial assumes you have an Oracle database. Click on Out-of-Box Drivers radio button, then click on the Add button.
Here, choose an appropriate database and enter the database connection details such as host name, login ID and password.
After entering all the details, test the connection and click on the Save button.
The connection you have created just now is listed here. Choose the connection, enter the schema name if applicable, and click on the Execute button.
Now, list of tables are displayed from the chosen database. Choose the required table. You can choose by double-clicking or by dragging and dropping a table.
This displays the filter pop-up.
If you need to apply any filters, you may do so now.
Once done, click on the Apply button.
Now, data is displayed from the table. Note that, this action creates a data script as well. accel-BI provides a default name for this data script, which you can rename as well.
These data can be attached to PowerPoint objects. In fact, the data column is attached to a PowerPoint object, so the data is refreshed dynamically.
To attach data objects to PowerPoint objects, let us insert a PowerPoint table. In the main menu, click on the Insert menu and click on the table icon to create a table as per your needs.
This table can be designed as per your requirement.
Now, you can attach a data object to this PowerPoint table.
To do so, click on a table cell, typically the first cell in a column, and click on the data column and click on the Insert Data icon.
Repeat this step to attach more data columns.
Next, you can add a text box to create a title. Note that, you can create dynamic titles based on a data columns, which is discussed in the advanced tutorials.
In the main menu, click on the Insert menu and click on the text box icon to create a text box. Enter a title.
So far, you have created data connections, data scripts and also attached data objects to PowerPoint objects.
Now, click Continue.
We are ready to preview the report we just created. To do so, click on the Preview button.
Now, accel-BI generates the PowerPoint presentation by pulling the data from the database dynamically.
Once this process is completed, open the file.
You will see the PowerPoint table is populated with data pulled from the database.
Next, let us see how to format in PowerPoint. We will show how to format sales amount as a currency.
Note that, PowerPoint does not have any options to do any such advanced formatting.
To format the dynamic data, click on the Format icon in accel-BI ribbon.
Click on the column you like to format. In this example, click on the sales amount column. Then, select Currency option from the Format tab and click on the Save button.
Next, to preview the changes, click on the Preview icon in the accel-BI ribbon.
Once the file is generated, open and cross-check the results.
Current format is applied successfully to the sales amount column.
Once the template is designed, use the Run icon from the accel-BI ribbon to generate the PowerPoint file. This concludes the demo. For more information, visit our gallery.
We hope you enjoyed this demo. For further details, please contact